Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day or night whenever time you guys are watching this. I hope you guys enjoyed last week's video. I know it was a little short video, but I need to explain some things to you guys. So today's video is gonna be me showing you around on how I wired my radiator fan with my dad. It's not the prettiest looking thing right now. It's still, we just need to find time to wire it the way I actually want to wire it, because right now it's just how it has to be so my radiator fan works so my car don't overheat. But I'm happy I have a radiator fan working now because it didn't work before and now it works. So I'm going to show you guys how I wired it, what you need to do. So yeah, let's get right into it, and I'm going to show you guys the spot where it's going to be wired once me and my dad have time to wire it. Alright, so you're in my car just sitting here, and right there is an empty space that you can put a switch, like you can drill it, pop this out and put a switch. So that's what they're gonna be, the actual spot where it's gonna be a switch wired right there. For now, it's in kind of an annoying spot, but it works, and I can be grateful for that. So let's see the spot. So the spot that I have it wired, yeah, don't mind my EC right there, but it is right here. See if you guys can hear it. So yeah, we have power, ground, and the negative connector. And we have power, ground, and the connector to the actual freaking fan. So yeah, we ran it through down there, wrapped it around here. You can see the zip tie still. I haven't had time to cut it, so there's the wires. It's ran right there. So yeah, that's how the wires are. It runs to the other side. This is the best place we can put it for now. So I'm just happy my radiator fan actually works. So let's go hop underneath the hood and take a look. Alright, so here's how it's wired. Obviously power, negative, ran all the way over here to that hole. Then we have a ground right there for the outside. The wire runs all the way right here. We have a fuse. We have two fuses connected to this wire so it doesn't short anything out. Come back here. It's connected to the radiator fan connector. It's just duct tape for now. It's not the most beautiful looking thing, but hey, it works. So yeah, that's all it really is. There's nothing too special about it. So guys, that's how it looks underneath the hood. So obviously we have the connectors to the actual fan. You can just hook it onto the two prongs that stick up because it makes it super simple for us. We didn't have to tap or into any wires. We didn't have to splice any wires. So just use wire kit that I got from AutoZone for, I think it was 11 bucks. It came with the switch. The light used to work. It used to be a light up switch when it turns on, but I think the light burned out or something. I don't really care. But yeah, so we prongs to the connectors to the prongs, and then it goes down to the battery, and then there's a fuse, and then there's a red wire that you guys couldn't really see, but that also has a fuse when it connects to each other. So it has two fuses on this, so it shouldn't short anything or blow anything. So that's a good thing. So yeah, obviously there's ground out there. There's a ground, I don't know, I think we have a ground. We just have one ground out there, positive and negative. It's very simple. At first, I was very confused and nervous about doing it because I've never done any wiring to myself or anything. But me and my dad tackled it. It took maybe like 30 minutes or so to get it perfect. Maybe maximum an hour to be perfect and good. So yeah, that's pretty much it. There's nothing too special about it. It's in a kind of an annoying spot, but that is all right. But besides that, yeah, that's about it. So I'll show you guys one more time. So switch powers it all. My passengers always have to watch their fucking feet because I don't want them to mess my ECU up or the actual switch. So see if you guys can hear it. So yeah, switch works and everything. It works good. It's not the greatest spot for it, but I'm not going to complain. The switch actually works, so I'm very, very happy about it, because before I was afraid my car was going to overheat and stuff, but it's good now. It shouldn't overheat or anything, as long as make sure it's obviously cooling in the car and everything. So yeah, that's pretty much it, how it's wired and everything. I haven't had any good content lately. I'm sorry guys. I haven't had the money to buy a few things, but I'm going to be ordering today new gaskets for my headers and then for the downpipe, because there's an exhaust leak at one of them and I don't feel like trying to chase down the problem. So sorry, thought I would bring you guys up here, but so I don't feel like tackling the problem, just keep chasing it down. So I'm gonna buy a kit and new bolts for the headers and the downpipe gaskets. just gonna replace those whenever they come in. Hopefully that's gonna be my next video if it comes in time for next weekend. So yeah, and I am getting racing harnesses soon for my car, because since I don't have an airbag in my steering wheel, I want to be safe. I am gonna be getting 5-point harnesses. I believe they're energy 5-point harnesses that mount to the harness bar, obviously, that I have back there. So yeah, that's my plans here lately. I'm gonna start doing modifications after I'm done with all the maintenance and everything. I think there's only the gaskets I have to do, and I think I have to change the timing belt, but that can wait a little bit because it squeaks. But so yeah, that's all for really today. I'm sorry it's not no modifications or anything about do maintenance. I just want to show you guys how I ride my radiator fan. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was a little informational. Always have like a relay or a fuse when you wire a switch, because you don't want it to burn the switch or short something out, like the fan, radiator fan out, and then you have to go buy a new radiator fan. So yeah, always get a fuse or a relay, something that will not short it out, because that's what I've been doing. I've been running it and it runs fine. It runs fine. I just gotta remember to turn it off, obviously, but you can hear it's pretty loud. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully my next one I'll be changing the gaskets and the headers and the downpipe. So yeah, hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. And I do want to say one more thing. Thank you guys for all subscribing, getting me to 53 subscribers. I really do appreciate you guys. You guys make me keep going at it, and I'm not doing this for no reason, because I obviously love YouTube, but what's the point if you're not starting to see growth or growing as a channel and everything. So, but I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and go follow my Instagram. Should be on the screen right here. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for all the support, and see ya.